Hi. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a vintage oil painting effect in Photoshop. This tutorial is easy and step-by-step. So let's get started. Start by import your photo to Photoshop. Press Ctrl and J to make a copy from the photo layer, right-click on it and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter menu, Sharpen, and choose the Unsharp Mask. Increase the amount to 150%. Set the radius to 3 and threshold to 0. Make a copy from current layer. From Image menu, Adjustments, click on Invert. Change the current layer blend mode to Overlay. Now hold the Shift key and click on the below layer to select them, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Image menu, Adjustments, and Brightness/Contrast. Increase the contrast amount to 57. From Filter menu and Stylize, choose the oil paint. Set the stylization to 4. Cleanliness to 3. Scale to 1. And bristle detail to 0. Go again to Filter menu, and this time, from Blur, click on Surface Blur. Set the radius to 10 pixels. Also set the threshold to 10 pixels. Choose Filter, Sharpen, and Unsharp Mask. Set the amount to 50%. The radius to 3. And the threshold to 0. From Image menu, Adjustments, click on the Levels. Increase Adjust Shadow Input Level from 0 to 24. Decrease Adjust Highlight Input Level from 255 to 210. Also change Adjust Shadow Output Level to 52. And Adjust Highlight Output Level to 235. Create a new gradient map. Import the vintage oil painting gradient map you downloaded from the description below in this video. Set the blend mode to soft light. Make a copy from this layer. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Now create a color lookup. Choose 3 strip dot look. Create a photo filter. Set the filter to warming filter, 85. And density to 25%. Create a color balance. Choose midtones. Move the cyan/red slider to -50. Magenta/green to +14. And yellow/blue to +45. Finally, add a Vibrance Adjustments layer. And increase the vibrance amount to +50. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next tutorials.